like it.
Yola, when I make my own butter,
Yes, where you take, Mickey?
start off with 3 pints of heavy organic whipping cream added to a mixer. Cover and mix until cream is separated. Remove butter and roll into balls. To a bowl, add ice and water. Rinse butter until water is clear. Add the cheesecloth to get rid of excess moisture. Spread butter and add salt. That's it. You've made your own butter. Now it's time for Grandma's taste test.
Fresh. Imagine. Me love of Stainvine of butter. And thank God me come and meet you. It's nice. Yes, me Jesus.
Follow for more.